Hi everyone. Chapter 11 discusses professionalism at work. We'll keep this short and simple. What is professionalism? Professional behavior is defined by certain traits and skills. Civility, being respectful toward others. Think about what is happening in our country today. Do you see civil behavior? Do you demonstrate civility? Polish, creating and displaying a positive impression in speech, writing, and appearance. Business and dining etiquette. Wearing the proper attire. Knowing what to order at a restaurant and what not to order. Social intelligence. Having the ability to get along with others and to get them to cooperate with you. Again, reflect on current affairs. And soft skills. Having the ability to prioritize. Having a positive attitude. Having teamwork skills. We will focus on teamwork shortly. The chapter identifies 6 dimensions of professional behavior. Among these are having tact, being honest and ethical, being reliable, and displaying courtesy and respect. Ethics, or having integrity, is about doing the right thing, not simply what's legal. Being courteous on the job is crucial to success. In part, you are developing a reputation at the office and online. What does your reputation say about you? An aspect of professionalism includes communicating face-to-face on the job. The emphasis here is on using your voice effectively. Know how to pronounce words correctly. Here are a few. The word is etc., not etc. Going to, not gonna. Library, not library. It's not a fruit. Supposedly, not supposedly. And I'll throw in a few others. The second month of the year. is February, not February. That strong coffee drink is espresso, not espresso. And it is business, not business. I'm sure you can think of others. Work on your voice quality. Try recording yourself. Do you sound happy? Do you sound patronizing? Do you sound controlling? In other words, do you sound professional? Learn to adjust your pitch. Pitch is about the highs and lows. You don't want to sound monotone. That will put your audience to sleep. Adjust your volume and rate. Sometimes you have to know when to be loud or when to be soft. Know when to speed up and know when to slow down. Learn to emphasize words appropriately. Avoid uptalk, which is using inappropriate rising inflection to create a silly sing-song pattern that makes everything sound like a question. Of course, avoid and and like and you know. Use correct names and titles for people. Avoid negative remarks. Learn to listen and then listen to learn. The chapter also discusses giving and receiving criticism. Criticism should be constructive to build people up and to help them become better professionals and better people. Learn to give and take criticism. Make sure you know how to use the phone correctly. I mean, how to speak on the phone clearly, how to leave an appropriate voice message, and how to leave an appropriate outgoing message that callers hear. And know when to turn off your cell phone. Now, about teams. Teams are crucial to almost any job. So, understand the value of teams. When teams work effectively, teams create better decisions. They give faster responses. They have increased productivity. They improve employee morale. Figure 11.4 shows the phases teams go through to become, well, teams rather than simply groups. Forming. Storming, short for brainstorming. Norming, working to come to a consensus. And performing, actually doing the work. Teams collaborate and virtually. They work together as a unit to create something, such as a document. The goal of this collaboration is to make the document look as if only one person wrote it, even though many people wrote their own sections. Collaboration brings unity, not just to what is said, but how it is said, how it looks on paper. So make sure you know how to handle issues, even conflicts within your teams. Avoid negative team behavior. See figure 11.6 and understand how to deal with conflict. Since you are going to be working in collaborative teams for essentially the remainder of the semester, make sure you understand how to be an effective team member and not simply a loner within a group. Communicate, participate, encourage, help. Be a championship team. The chapter finishes by talking about meetings, and I will leave this section up to you to review. Questions? Send me an email.